The universal set is defined in the following way. X is an integer such that X is greater than or equal to 20 and X is less than 30. And so here they're telling us that the members or the elements of this universal set is going to be an integer, and that integer must be an integer between 20 and 30, but we can also include 20 in that set. And so that means that the list of our elements inside of the universal set is the following: 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So these are integers, right? These are all integers. These are positive whole numbers. So all of these here are integers. And we start from 20. So we start from 20 and we go all the way to 29, but we do not include 30. Now the set P is defined as multiples of 3. Now it must be multiples of 3 that fall within this universal set. And so the elements of 3, the multiples of 3 that are inside this universal set is going to be 21. That's a multiple of 3 because 3 times 7 is 21. And then 24 is a multiple of 3 because 3 times 8 is 24. So 24 is a multiple of 3, and 27 is a multiple of 3 because 3 times 9 is 27. So the set P is going to be 21, 24, and 27. That's the elements in set P. And then Q is going to be the even numbers that are inside of this universal set. So that's going to be 20, 22, 24, 26, and 28. Now that we have the universal set P and Q listed, let us move on to this. It says that we need to complete the Venn diagram to show the information above. So here we have set P, and so inside of this, we're going to list all of the elements in set P. Here we have set Q, and so inside here, we're going to list all the elements of set Q. And here, this is going to be reserved for the elements that are inside set P and Q, and here the intersection is going to be reserved for those elements that are in both set P and Q, right? And then on the outside is going to be all of the elements that are not in P or Q. And so let's begin. Let's start off with set P. Set P is going to be 21, 27, and 24. These elements are inside set P. In set Q, we have 20, 22, 24, 24, 26, and 28. These are all the elements of set Q, and inside the middle is going to be the element, which is 24, that is in both P and Q. And then the rest, which is 23, 29, 25, these three elements are not inside P or Q, but they are inside of the universal set, okay? Now, part B says we need to list the set P, and the set P is right here. It's going to be 21, 24, and 27. Those are going to be the multiples of 3 that are inside of this universal set. Next, the question asks us to find an open bracket Q close bracket. Now, what does this symbol mean? Well, this means that we need to determine the number of elements in set Q. That's what this symbol means, the number of elements in set Q. So how many elements are in set Q? Let's count. So this is set Q, all right? So we have 1 element, then we have another, that's 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, then we have 5. And so that means that there are 5 elements in set Q, all right? So this is set Q right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so that means that the number of elements in set Q is 5. And so that means the answer here is 5.